Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify theme editor and design responsive product pages step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. From the admin dashboard, navigate to the online store section in the left sidebar. Click on themes to access your current theme settings. Locate the theme you want to customize. Click on the Customize button next to your chosen theme. You will be directed to the theme editor. In the theme editor, explore the different sections available on the left-hand side. To design responsive product pages, select a product page from the preview section on the right. You can edit various elements of the product page, including images, titles, and descriptions. For responsive design, ensure that all images are optimized for different screen sizes. Use the Add Section button to introduce new features, such as product reviews or related products. Adjust layout settings to control how products are displayed on mobile devices. Check the typography settings to ensure the text is readable across all devices. Preview your changes using the responsive view toggle at the top of the editor. Make necessary adjustments to ensure elements are aligned and visually appealing. Once satisfied, click the Save button in the top right corner. To make further changes, simply return to the theme editor and repeat the process. Now, your responsive product pages are ready to engage customers across all devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.